Guys, we are at Pete's Oyster Bar here in Pensacola Beach, Florida. We've been here before, but I've never done a review, or full review. So I'm gonna come eat lunch. It's about almost 2 o'clock. Eat a late lunch, early dinner, and have a snack later. Cool menu.
Heavy paper.
Yeah, I think they were a little more fragile last time. Lots of choices. Big menu. Take me a minute to decide. Flash fried lunch baskets right now. Daily, 11 to 2. I got Cajun fried catfish, shrimp, grouper nuggets, and fresh sharp oysters. Served with french fries and creamy coleslaw. 11 to 2. I just realized I had the lunch special right now. I'm going to get the mixed grill. It has Gulf shrimp paired with fresh Gulf grouper and large sea scallops, basted and char grilled, served with rice pilaf, sugar snap peas, garlic toast, garlic butter, and dill sauce. And then Dave is going to get the red beans and rice, smoked sausage with hot fluffy rice, garlic toast.
Alright. There we go. You're welcome. Enjoy.
You want a picture?
Yeah. Alright, so Dave got the red beans and rice and sausage. So got some fish and shrimp and sugar snap peas, the rice pilaf, and scallops, my favorite. It's really good. Fish is a little tough and salty, but it's good. Really excited about the scallops. Scallop. We're rubbery, not the best. They've been cooked too long. Not bad, it's just not what I anticipated. Rice is decent. The shrimp are good. Definitely need to get some condiments. I like the sugar snap peas. Wait, let me try sausage. Got good smoky flavor.
It is, right?
Red beans and rice are good. There is a lot of salt in almost everything I'm eating. Like even on my plate, a lot of salt. We didn't specify no salt, but alright. This is our bill. Our server is Kaylee. And the mixed grill, $27.99. Red beans and rice, $14.99. What is that? SRIA lease fee. I'm not sure what that is. I'm paying cash. We'll give a 20% tip. Alright, about to dig in. We're getting blueberries.